on me. I promise that you'll never be alone.
Hey guys, so now what I'll be doing is to be mixing my 2 bottles of paprika and 1 bottle of Cajun Spice Adore hair dye. Mix it together and apply it on my bleached wig. So stay tuned, my camera is about to die, so I cannot show you viewers the application, but it's pretty simple how to apply hair dye on bleacher extensions. I've got a lot of video tutorials on my YouTube channel, you can check it out. My lovely channel once again. Today, as you saw in the title, I'll be teaching you viewers how I achieved this amazing paprika color. So basically I used just 3 bottles of Adore, 2 bottles of paprika and 1 bottle of C9 brown. I will spell everything on the screen so you viewers know the correct dye to buy if you want to achieve the same look. So basically this hair was initially body wave in a texture. I bleached this hair into 27 blonde and some of the bundles turned into 613 blonde, I'm not gonna lie. And we all know when we bleach our extensions it just goes dry. So you have to treat your hair if you bleach them. If you want to have a luscious, basically beautiful color, try using silicone mix, the protein or the bamboo. I do not like the original formula. Nope. I will actually show you what I applied. So this is the proteiner. I'm trying to let it focus. So this is the silicone mix Proteina di Perla, and this is absolutely amazing. This is my favorite, #1 go-to, followed by the bamboo. Proteina is my favorite, followed by the silicone mix with bamboo, and the original silicone mix is my least favorite. This is really amazing when applied on your natural hair. I will do a separate video about my natural hair, what I was experiencing, how bad it was. I was even thinking about going for the big chop, but it's been restored back into its silkiness, nice shiny texture. So this hair, let's drive straight to the point, has to be treated. Like when you bleach it, it has to be treated. So after I mix my two paprika hair dye with my Sinai brown hair dye, mix it together and applied it on my hair extensions whilst it was wet. So you shampoo it, wash the shampoo off. Whilst after achieving your blonde texture, wash it very well, shampoo it, and whilst it's damp, basically squeeze all the water off, apply the basically dye on it to achieve a beautiful lovely look. I just left the dye on it for about 5 hours after I washed it and I air dried, and look at how beautiful and shiny this hair is. It's amazing and I'm in love with it. So let me have a mini slash review for this hair. So this hair is from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique and it's 4 bundles of 28 inches with a 20-inch lace frontal, and I have a coupon code for you viewers, which is my name @tveld20 for 20% discount. I know I always use this company, so I told them I need a really good discount for my viewers because a lot of people do purchase from them. So yes, I got you viewers 20% off, and this hair, I'm telling you, I sent you there. If anything happens, come back and let me know. And almost all my subscribers that have taken there, they know that's their #1 go-to hair company. They basically have this company for life because I have been working with this company for years, like, and I even purchase hair for my clients for them because I do make wigs as well. You can email me if you want your wigs done. You can send your wigs to me and I will do you a good job. So basically, yeah. So this hair has no pros and cons. It's been through hell and back. Like, I have bleached. It's been through around the whole earth and back. I mean, what worse can you do to a hair than bleaching it and removing the hair's replenished nutrients? Like, you can't go wrong with it, and the hair still looks this beautiful, girl. And one thing I wanted to say is they do offer wig making services as well, which I work with them anyway. Sometimes if I send them a client that purchases hair from them, I make the wig for them. So you can go to them as well for wig making services. Just their website is pretty simple to navigate. Once you go on the online store and you click on it and it gives you the lists, go through the list. Whatever you're looking for, you will find this hair. Because I bleached it, it sheds a bit. I'm not gonna lie, I bleached it, but usually with my other bundles or my other wigs, it doesn't shed because I haven't bleached or dyed it. But because this hair, I bleached it, which I basically expected it. So what I did was I sealed my width, and when I did, shedding stopped. This hair does not tangle or snag, by the way. Yep, when I did shed and stop, maybe a strand or two. I put my hand through it like 5 times now, just a strand. I'm not gonna lie to you viewers, I'm not gonna be real, and it's because this hair has been bleached to the highest degree. Okay, so if you are new, do not forget to subscribe, like, at least go and check my channel, view my videos. If you like what you see, subscribe. If you don't, you can bounce. I understand. I'll see you viewers in my next. Have a lovely weekend and stay blessed.